DeepSeek AI offline and awesome. Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into something super exciting. Imagine harnessing the power of AI without ever needing to connect to the internet. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore. Want to run powerful AI like DeepSeek AI without needing the internet? Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, running AI offline can be a game changer. No more worrying about data privacy or slow internet connections. You came to the right place. Offline AI offers unparalleled benefits. Imagine working on your projects with complete peace of mind, knowing your data is secure and your AI models are running at optimal speed. Offline AI is awesome for privacy, speed, and using it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in a remote location with no internet access or just want to ensure your data stays private, offline AI has got you covered. This guide will walk you through setting up DeepSeek AI offline. We'll cover everything from installation to running your first model. And don't worry, we've made it super simple to follow. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll be able to get DeepSeek AI up and running in no time. We've broken down the process into easy-to-follow steps. We'll use Ollama, a cool tool to run AI models on your computer. Ollama makes it straightforward to manage and deploy AI models offline. So grab your laptop, and let's get started on this exciting journey to offline AI awesomeness. Installing Ollama your AI Launchpad. First, we need Ollama. This software is essential for running our advanced AI models right on your personal computer. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or just an AI enthusiast, Ollama provides the tools you need to get started. Think of it as the launchpad for our AI rocket. Just like a rocket needs a launchpad to take off, our AI models need Ollama to operate efficiently. It's the foundation that supports and propels our AI endeavors into new heights. It runs the DeepSeek AI model on your computer. DeepSeek is a powerful AI model designed to handle complex tasks, from data analysis to predictive modeling. With Ollama, you can harness the full potential of DeepSeek right from your desktop. Windows. Download the installer from the Ollama website. Simply navigate to the download section, select the Windows version, and click download. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Double-click it and follow the instructions. Easy peasy. The installer will guide you through each step, ensuring that Ollama is set up correctly on your system. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to launch your AI projects. Download the Mac version from Ollama's website. The process is similar to Windows. Go to the download section, choose the Mac version, and start the download. It's designed to be as seamless as possible. Open the file and drag Ollama into your applications. This simple action completes the installation. Once done, you can start exploring the capabilities of Ollama and the DeepSeek AI model. Get ready to embark on your AI journey. Getting DeepSeek AI, download and verify. Next, we grab the DeepSeek AI model. This is the first step in harnessing the power of advanced artificial intelligence. Head over to the official DeepSeek AI website, where you can find the latest version of the model available for download. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid any malicious downloads. It's what makes the AI smart. The model file contains all the necessary data and algorithms that enable DeepSeek AI to perform its tasks efficiently. This file is the brain of the AI, packed with intricate details and learning parameters. Download the model file from a trusted source. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the download process. A corrupted download can lead to issues later on, so patience is key here. Make sure to verify the download. This step is crucial to ensure that the file you have downloaded is authentic and has not been tampered with. Verification helps in maintaining the integrity of the AI model. This makes sure the file wasn't tampered with. Use a reliable verification tool to check the integrity of the file. This process involves comparing the file's hash value with the one provided on the download site. Check for a checksum or hash on the download site. The checksum or hash value is a unique identifier for the file, ensuring that it hasn't been altered in any way. This is a standard practice in cybersecurity to prevent any malicious activities. Compare it to the one on your downloaded file. Safety first. If the values match, you can be confident that the file is safe to use. This simple yet effective step can save you from potential security risks and ensure that your AI model functions as intended. Running DeepSeek AI offline. Let's chat. Now the fun part. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command with the DeepSeek AI model. It will load up, ready to chat. Try asking it something like, "What is the capital of France?" DeepSeek AI will respond offline, directly from your computer. Awesome, right? Level up, adding a GUI with Chatbox AI. Want a fancy interface? We can add a GUI using Chatbox AI. It makes chatting with DeepSeek AI even more user-friendly. Download Chatbox AI and install it. Then point it to your DeepSeek AI model in Ollama. Now you have a sleek chat window to talk to your offline AI. You did it! Now explore DeepSeek AI offline. Congratulations, you set up DeepSeek AI offline. You learned about Ollama, downloading models, and even adding a GUI. Pat yourself on the back. Now go explore the world of offline AI. Ask DeepSeek AI anything, anytime, without the internet. The possibilities are endless.